Wow, can you believe this view? Oh, I can't wait for you to see the rest of this beautiful home here in Latitude Margaritaville Water Sound. Well, there's nothing to wait for. Let's go. Welcome in. I'm glad you're here. I can't wait to show you this beauty. This beautiful foyer leads right into this expansive open living space. You've got high-end finishes with your quartz and your appliances. This home is gas ready, so if you're a gas lover, you've got it, with a nice wine chiller. And it's wide open to your eating area for your friends, your guests, or just intimately you, right into this cozy and beautifully decorated living room. And remember, this one comes furnished, so you get everything you see here. Welcome into the main ensuite. The wows don't stop. Remember, you get all of this decor and the furnishings, and there's so much space. Your views are of the beautiful pool and the extra water feature and preserve with that privacy. But it doesn't stop here. Let's just keep going. I gotta show you this ensuite. This stunning ensuite here in the Breeze model is beautiful, and it's perfect. Whoever's got the most stuff can have the bigger sink. But you also have this huge party shower with the seamless glass, which are all upgrades. No expense has been spared in this beautifully decorated home. This isn't it. Let's check out the other few features. So I love this floor plan. You've actually got 2 full bedrooms, and you have this flex space here. Those bedrooms are en suites, but this could be a den or an office or a spare bedroom, however it works with your lifestyle. Now, as I said, no expense has been spared. Let's check out the outdoor living. Welcome to the outdoor living space. It's the epitome of coming to Florida and loving that indoor-outdoor with those 3 glass sliders and this beautiful pool. This lot is located right here with a water and a private preserve view, which will never be built upon. And this pool, you've got your sun deck, you've got your beautiful fountain and some shelves. This is perfect type of retirement lifestyle. I sure hope you love this house as much as I do. I've got the listing link there for you in the description for all the finer points. And hey, don't forget thebeachshow.com. Subscribe, because this one's a gorgeous one.